Hi Nocoders, I'm so happy with this first product update video because we are live. Everybody can sign up for free for Make version control. So I want to share with you some updates about that. So first, now it is really easy to sign up. You just click to sign up and fill the form and then click on continue. And then you need to install the NC-Scale extension, add to Chrome. And now we need your Make API key. So just click on this button and that will create the key with the white we need. You can copy and paste that here. And now you can choose your organization and the team ID. And then click on register. We are importing all your scenario. And as you can see, there is the first push. So we just took a picture of all your scenarios here. So how we can test that? You just have to go to your Make account and go to scenario and change just something. For example, I will add for air table for this one. I will change this status to 200. I click here and then I save. Now, on Make, you can push to NC-Scale to save the changes from this button, or from this one, or from this one, to push all your scenarios in the same time. So I will just want to push this scenario. So I click here, and then it is auto-selected. You need to push. I will try here, change a variable. For the title of the push, I can add a commit message, and then you can push. If you reload the page, you will see that the push was done. So if you want to see the changes for this push, you just click on View, and we will see here that for this module, this parameter was changed. In a red line is the previous parameter, and in a green line, it's the new one. And you can also edit the release note to complete and to document your changes. And it will be really useful for your company, for your team, or for yourself. We have also created something about the CI/CD. What is it? As soon as you push from Make, so when you click here, you can have a webhook to alert your team that something new is live. So for example, you can add a webhook in Make. So I will take this one. I copy that here and it's done. And what can do this webhook? As soon as you push on from NC-Scale, you can see here, for example, one execution, and we will send the release note, the tool ID, the tool name, etc. So you can share all the information about this push to your team on Slack, by email, or what you want. That's all for Make. And for sure, we are still working on another tool like Airtable and Bubble, but it's still in alpha and beta. So please contact us if you want to try them. And continue to give us many feedbacks. It's really useful. You can use this button to share feedback, a feature request, or to report a bug. Thank you a lot, and so see you in the next one.